Hi guys, Berger here from Talk Android Phones. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Galaxy Note 9, FYI, it does not explode. Alright, so this is the Note 9. It's currently the 128GB version with 6GB RAM. It also comes with 512GB of memory, and that comes with 8GB of RAM. It has a 4000 milliamp battery compared to the 3250 of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It is IP68 water and dust resistant. It's got a 12 megapixel front camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Okay, just gonna unbox this now. Alright, let's unbox this. Ooh, it looks very nice. Samsung have outdone themselves now. Wow, oh, here we go. Look at that. Look at that beautiful display. Oh my god. So here we have a 6.4-inch display. It is a 2K resolution, SuperAMOLED. As you can see here, this is the front camera, the 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and here you go. This is the 12 megapixel back camera, laser autofocus, dual cameras, and thank God they put the sensor here, the fingerprint sensor, unlike the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which was here. And this is the blue edition. It also comes in black, copper, and pink. All right. Oh, yes. So you want to look at it more closely. Samsung really outdone themselves this time. Okay. Just gonna show you a few of the accessories. Oh, there's a few buttons on the side. The volume button, your usual, and your unlock button on the sides as well. Okay. I'm just gonna show you the other features on the phone. Wow, the box is really sexy. Alright, so your normal charging adapter, fast charging, okay, your headphones. This is done by AKG, very powerful. Your USB to Type-C charger, you can see here. Your, what is this? Oh, extra styluses, just in case. Yep. And these are the cotton buds for the headphones. Okay. This is the micro USB adapter. You can plug it in your phone and use as a USB device. Alright, that's it. And it also, this is new. Samsung's added a jelly screen protector, so we don't have to waste money initially buying screen protectors. There you go. Looks pretty nice. It's a soft one. It's not hard. Thank God. Yeah. This is the start manual. Your usual Samsung tactics. Yeah. Alright guys, so these are the accessories once again. Your extra earbuds, your USB 2.0 to Type-C converter, your USB adapter, your extra nibs for the stylus, your charger, your adapter, this is the adapter, and your AKG headphones. Alright, let's take a closer look at the phone. Alright, Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Alright, let's get started. Oh wow, look at that display. Ooh, it really hits your eye. Well done, Samsung, well done. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Let's view the display. Let's view the camera. View the front camera. Alright. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that sharpness. Oh my god. Alright, let's take a picture. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at that. It's a beautiful camera. Just like, I think it's a bit faster than the Note 8. It's a bit more sharper. There's more color saturation. Otherwise, I think the camera is relatively the same. Alright, let's move on to the other features. So, stock phone, we saw the camera. And so this is the 128 GB version. This is the single SIM, which comes with the Snapdragon 845 processor, which is currently the best processor in the market. The phone also has a dual SIM variant, which comes with the Exynos processor 9810. All right, and okay, I'm gonna talk about the main thing of the phone, which is the stylus. Let's take out the stylus. Beautiful. Oh wow, they actually changed the color. Okay, it's a yellow one. Alright. Let's skip all the shenanigans. Oh, hello. Wow. So you're your stylus? Alright. Alright. So let's use it. Alright. Your usual features: screen write, create a note, smart select. The main thing is, let's view the camera. Alright, now look at that. You can just use the stylus and just move the images. Isn't that really cool, guys? One more feature is you can use the stylus to take, you know, in the past you were waiting to take photos of yourself using the front camera, and you used to wait for the self timer. Now you can just stand in front of the camera and just press the stylus and it'll take the picture for you. So yeah, thank you, Samsung. Alright. And also you can use it for presentations, for like in a business point of view. You can use them for presentations and changing the slides, so you don't have to go to the computer and literally press next slide. You can just use this beautiful stylus. Yeah. And yeah, the stylus is supported till 20 meters, so you can be 20 meters away from your phone and still take a good picture of your phone, self-portrait, or use it in any PowerPoint presentation you want. So I am very impressed, Samsung. This is a very, very unique device. Samsung's really upped their game. They've improved the battery, which is one of the main things, I'd say, from a 3250 to a 4000 milliamp battery. But they've improved the shutter speed and the camera, and yeah, they have literally moved the same fingerprint sensor from here to here. So yeah, I think that's much better, to be honest. Alright guys, that's about it. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, you know what to do, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys.